Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This is the second part of the headlamp reflector replacement and the lens replacement. So now this is the old lamp. This is the tail lamp from 220 chassis, 2003 S600 4-door, and this one is the old one. This was polished from the outside, well, many times. You can see the color change. You can see some little cracking in plastic and all of that. And the reflector in previous video I showed you. So this is it. There is no better cleanness. Previously I tried to polish the actual lens, and as you can tell from the inside a little bit, but that wasn't much, just a little bit. I tried a little bit, so you can see the shade. It's a couple of shades lighter. But this is how it's supposed to look. This is a repaired light. Now this one is finished, finally. I checked it all out. So obviously, what do we want to choose? We want to try to polish old lenses and do this, do that, and then end up being just a little better than this, or to be like that. This is beautiful. It turned out to be like new almost. And there are problem areas. Excuse my coughing, I'm a little sick now. Yeah, I think I caught some flu or something. But anyway, so there are some problems with it, but to be honest with you, it's absolutely insignificant. So we'll get to the issues that this was something else, because I'm about to do this same job on this side here, but the reflector itself, that was whatever. I'm probably gonna make another video swapping the reflectors, because I couldn't use the whole assembly, the whole unit. Had to take it apart and only use the reflector itself. Couple of like modifications here and there. Then it fitted. I fitted the original lens over it, because that's a totally different job. Now to reseal the slate, I used the bitil, whatever that thing is. It's like a soft silicone that goes around the edge. But the thing is, you see, you can still see some of it right over here. It's still soft, like a softish silicone. So I squeezed the lamp against it. But the thing is, there is still some residual from the white silicone originally installed, and also there was some smudging going on, as you can see right over here. You can see that's the old silicone stuck in there, because I don't want to clean it. Because first of all, the light is going to be only visible here by this edge when the hood is closed. So nothing that's behind this area is visible until you open the hood. And again, if you open the hood, I doubt this is going to be like something like of a deal breaker. But nonetheless, it's there, because when I removed the original lens, it the silicone started to smudge, and then it started to like kind of get gooey and would not stay in either surfaces. So it started to transfer and fell down on the chrome piece. But most importantly, you're not supposed to have any kind of damages to this area, because that's going to start to be visible. Here's another tiny little problem area. I don't know if the camera notices it right there. So when I was cleaning the light, some chrome came off right at the edge. So it's hard for me to even show that, because it's not really that noticeable, but it's there, just right over there, in this very little area. And the same problem appears to be on the bottom of the light, right down here, as you can see. But who cares? That's never visible. That's under the car. So what do you care? I mean, I don't care for that. Like I said, most importantly, all the surround areas have to be perfect. All right, so I'll pause this video, and I have to answer the door now. But this is to compare the two, and it looks nice.